Hey everyone! Today we're talking about a website element that's small but mighty, the footer. Let's dive in and see why it's important in affiliate marketing. What is a footer? The footer is section at the very bottom of a website or web page. It's the last thing visitors see before they leave your site. While it might not grab attention like a headline or an image, the footer plays a key role in providing important information and links. Why is the footer important in affiliate marketing? For affiliate marketers, the footer can be a valuable space to include legal disclaimers, like affiliate disclosures to stay compliant with laws and build trust. Provide links to key pages such as your About Us, contact, or privacy policy pages. Add secondary calls to action, such as a newsletter sign-up or a reminder to follow you on social media. Include important information about your affiliate programs or partnerships. Example: let's say you're running a blog about tech gadgets and promoting affiliate links for the latest devices. In your footer, you can include a simple note like, "This site contains affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you." This kind of transparency helps you build credibility while meeting legal requirements. Quick tip: don't overload your footer with too much information. Keep it clean, organized, and focused on essential links or disclosures. Use this space wisely to add value without overwhelming your visitors. So that's the rundown on a footer. While it might seem like just a small part of your website, using it strategically can make a difference in your affiliate marketing efforts. If you are working to leave your 9 to 5 or create a side hustle, mastering these small but significant elements can help you build a successful online business. Thanks for tuning in. Check out my other videos for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next one.